Inspection, cleaning, and rust assessment for generators 2 and 3 Denyo 150KVA and 220KVA. As part of this maintenance session, we carried out a detailed inspection, light cleaning, and rust assessment for generators 2 and 3, the Denyo 150KVA and 220KVA units, to ensure their continued reliability and performance. The session began with a thorough check of the coolant levels in both generators, where we assessed their condition to verify they remain sufficient and effective for proper operation. This proactive measure is a preparatory step for requesting future coolant replacement as needed operation. Next, we inspected and cleaned the air filters. This involved carefully uncovering the air filter containers, dismantling the large filter cups, and inspecting the filters for any signs of wear, damage, or clogging. During this process, we performed light cleaning by brushing and wiping off dirt, dust, and debris from the air filters and their containers. This cleaning helps enhance airflow temporarily while the filters remain in service. Installing back the air filter of the 150KVA generator involves ensuring that the filter and its protective cover, which are attached as a single unit, are carefully aligned for secure placement. The combined unit is positioned back into its container, ensuring it fits snugly and properly. Once the filter is in place, the wing nut is tightened to secure the assembly firmly, preventing any movement during operation. This process guarantees proper airflow and optimal generator performance. In addition, we inspected the engine areas of both generators for any early signs of rust development. This included checking various components and surfaces to identify and document areas where rust may be starting to form. Catching these signs early is crucial to addressing potential corrosion issues before they worsen, ensuring the longevity and proper functioning of the generators.
Number 134, 137, 150 kVA. Next decrease.
Removing the air filter of the 220KVA generator. It's more complex compared to the 150KVA generator, as it involves a two-stage process. First, the protective cover needs to be carefully removed to gain access to the air filter assembly. Once the cover is detached, the next step requires unscrewing the wing nut securing the filter in place. This additional step demands more precision and effort, ensuring that all components are handled properly without causing damage during the process. Dismantling the air filter cover to thoroughly access its interior components and meticulously clean every part in detail. This process involves carefully removing the cover to expose the filter and surrounding areas, ensuring that trapped dirt, dust, and debris are completely cleared. By brushing and wiping down all surfaces within the container and the cover itself, this cleaning effort targets even the smallest and hardest to reach crevices. The aim is to restore optimal airflow and enhance the temporary efficiency of the air filter, maintaining the generator's performance until further maintenance or replacement is carried out. to remove the air filter of the 220KVA generator. The process mirrors that of the 150KVA generator, but requires an additional preliminary step. The first covering of the filter case must be carefully detached to expose the filter assembly. Once the covering is removed, the air filter can then be accessed and removed in the same manner as the 150KVA generator filter. This involves unscrewing the wing nut that secures the filter in place, ensuring it is safely disengaged for inspection or cleaning. Removing any debris and dust inside the filter container involves carefully inspecting all interior surfaces to ensure thorough cleaning. Using brushes and cloths, accumulated particles such as dirt, dust, and residue are gently swept out and wiped out. Special attention is given to the corners and crevices where debris tends to collect, ensuring no contaminants remain that could hinder airflow or affect the generator's performance. This meticulous cleaning step restores the container to a clean state, allowing the air filter to function efficiently once reinstalled. Reinstalling the air filter after cleaning involves a meticulous process to ensure it is securely and properly placed for optimal functionality. The cleaned air filter is carefully aligned with its container, ensuring that it fits snugly into position without any gaps or misalignment. Once properly seated, the wing nut is tightened to secure the filter firmly in place, preventing any movement during operation. Attention is also given to the surrounding components, such as the filter housing or protective cover, to ensure they are correctly reassembled without obstruction. This step not only restores the air filter to its original position, but also ensures that the generator can operate efficiently and effectively. All findings from this session, including observations on coolant levels, air filters, and rust assessment, were meticulously recorded with detailed notes and photographs. These records will form the basis of a formal maintenance request for necessary replacements and corrective actions. By carrying out these inspection and cleaning activities, along with the rust assessment, we aim to keep generators 2 and 3 operating efficiently and address any maintenance needs before they escalate. Welcome to Bigfoot's grip and lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.